At Superhairpieces, we have a wide range of hair extensions for hair professionals and salons to choose from clip-in, tape-in, I-tip, U-tip, machine weft, and hand-tied weft, and more. We also offer a wide variety of colors as well. Check out Brittney Banks as she colors, styles, and installs our beautiful tape-in extensions on a client as part of her submission to the Super Transformation Contest. Want to take part, earn store credit, and stand a chance at winning a $1,000 Amazon gift card? Check the link in the description.